Oh. Oh. Just a bad dream. I must have ate some bad mugu or something. Whew. Hey! Let's go to sleep. Humbug.
So,
Hey!
how'd it go?
Oh, not good, Charlie. Carface is madder than ever. I mean, I didn't know he had such a rough puppyhood.
Well, a lot of us did, Itchy, but we didn't all go turning nasty. We're just gonna have to work a little harder.
But, Charlie, there's only an hour and a half left till Christmas.
I know that, Itch. That's why we've got to unleash part 2 of the miracle.
Come, ye storms, and grow in strife. Split the sky with lightning rife. Strike at midnight like a knife, and bring to my creation life. Christmas is finished! Finished!